Hello friends, welcome back to the Money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload guys Samsung phone guys TalkBack setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we enable guys TalkBack mode and how to use it in Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to enable guys TalkBack in your Samsung phone, and guys you don't know how to enable and how to use, so don't worry guys. In this video friends, I will tell you how to enable TalkBack and how to use it. Friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see this tab setting. Friends, click on guys your phone accessibility setting. Guys, tap on accessibility. Guys, click on guys your phone talkback setting. Guys, friends, you can see talkback setting. And we will tap here to enable. Guys, we will have to give permission from allow. So friends, tap here to allow. So then after allow, okay, we can use guys talkback guys with double tap guys. So double tap to back and get double tap to activate your guys phone setting guys. Guys, one tap and guys you can see double tap to back. One tap and double tap to back guys. And friends, you can use guys your phone with your two finger guys. One finger will not work guys. So like that guys, we can enable guys talkback guys and we can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.